It may seem surprising that what you cook within the kitchen could actually be adding to your back pain. So a common cooking ingredient that people use are vegetable oils. Now the reason why people use them is basically, well, they're cheap, they're easy to mass produce. Unfortunately, they're in a lot of pre-packaged foods, and pretty much anything that you buy when you go out is going to be cooked in vegetable oil. Now, the issue with these, and when I talk about a vegetable oil, I'm talking about canola oil, we've got this is peanut oil and sesame oil as well too. Now, the reason why these aren't great for you is they contain a lot of omega-6, and yes, we are supposed to have omega-6 fat, but really our body is meant to have omega-6 and omega-3 in more of a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 ratio. So when I talk about omega-3, that's like our dark oily fish or flaxseed. So, but with the amount of processed food that people are having and cooking with vegetable oils, the ratio has tipped to around 20-to-1, which is actually incredibly damaging for our body, because this type of omega-6 typically gets converted into arachidonic acid. Basically, this promotes inflammation in our body. When we have more inflammation, we're more likely to be sick, we're more likely to have pain as well too. So what you can use instead, you can use a light olive oil. Now, olive oil is still definitely an omega-6, but it contains lower levels of omega-6, so that will make your ratio not so high. Of course, reducing the amount of packaged and processed foods that you have. Extra virgin olive oil, really that's not to be cooked with, you're not supposed to heat it up, you just drizzle that over the food that you're going to have. So look, I hope you found this information useful. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. And my name is Fiona from Riverside Chiropractic, helping to keep you and your family healthy and happy.